Archangel Michael is known to be the most powerful archangel created by God, a spiritual warrior, being known as the chief prince of the heavenlies. Michael is concerned chiefly with protection, truth, integrity, courage and strength. He is the archangel which helps to develop the skills and talents we need that will support us and benefit our communities and the world. Michael is the spiritual force that helps to create a healthy foundation that gives stability and strength. In the Christian and Catholic traditions, Archangel Michael has different roles. He is the embodiment of the forces of good against those of evil. He leads the dead. He intervenes in the weighing of souls to defend them against demons. Michael symbolizes the power of the forces of good against evil. The most representative image of Michael can be found in the iconography of the medieval period. He is commonly depicted brandishing a sword or a spear with a defeated dragon at his feet. The role of powerful Michael in the Last Judgment announced in the Apocalypse inspired his role with the dead. At the moment of death, the soul is threatened by the forces of evil, Michael using his protective role to lead the soul towards its judgment. Michael fights to reestablish divine justice. He defends the peoples of God from their enemies, and above all, from the archenemy par excellence, the devil. The representative color of Michael is blue, in most depictions being represented as an angelic warrior, fully armed with helmet, sword, and shield, in the style of a Byzantine officer, which is typically found even in Western depictions, though some late medieval ones have him in contemporary knightly armor. Like all archangels, the great Michael is immortal and possesses super strength, speed, telepathy, the power to speak with animals. Michael is an exceptionally strong angel who protects and defends peoples who love God. It is said that, when it is close to you, Archangel Michael aura color is a royal purple that is so bright, it looked like cobalt blue. Many peoples report seeing Michael blue light in a crisis. Since he is a protector, his signs are designed to comfort and reassure. He wants you to know that he is with you, and hears your prayers. Some peoples, such as Catholics, believe that Michael is the angel of death, who escorts the souls in afterlife.